All right, we got a 1975 Pontiac Ville Convertible. She has the 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has a fresh respray, frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, interior is nice and clean. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Let's check her out. I think the wheels complement the paint well. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. As y'all can see, the paint is in great condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs and the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks. Driver side seat has a minor tear that need to be stitched up. Back seat. Can't go wrong with a Ville. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reached a little over 52,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean, and there she is, the Pontiac 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.